Hey everyone, it's Jen. I hope you've been well. I decided to marble dye my chucks because the white canvas upper gets dirty really easily, and I've already worn these a lot, so I wanted to change things up. Shout out to Hess Kicks for the marble dye idea and tutorial. Marble dyeing is pretty straightforward and easy. The three main things you'll need are shaving cream, dye, and a sheet pan. For the dye, I used all-purpose Rit dye in 2 shades of green. You can use one color or multiple depending on what you want your design to look like. Make sure you wash your shoes before applying any dye. I threw mine in the washing machine and ran it in cold water. Also, tape off any areas you're not dyeing. This particular dye only bonds to natural fibers, but I taped off the toe cap and sole anyway. Remove the laces as well if you don't plan on dyeing them. Spray the sheet pan with shaving cream and smooth the top layer out. Pour some dye onto the shaving cream. It's up to you on how much dye you want to use. I wanted a smoother marbled effect, so I used a good amount of dye and used a skewer to add random accents. Press the shoe into the dye shaving cream mixture and try to use a new area for each part of the shoe so there's even dye placement. I didn't leave the shoe in the mixture for long, but I assume if you do, the dye will come out darker. Scrape off any residual shaving cream with a smooth-edged tool and thoroughly rinse the shoe. Take out the insoles to help with removing excess dye. I rinsed my pair in the sink and then threw them in the washing machine with a little detergent and cold water. Finally, let the shoes dry. Here's the final product. Not bad for my first time marble dyeing. I've worn them for a bit with white socks and there was no dye transfer, so you should be good as long as you thoroughly rinse the shoes after you dye them. Let me know if you have any questions. If you plan on doing this, make sure you have fun with it, and thanks for watching.